Greetings dear viewer. In this video I want to familiarize you with the destructive power of the tornado, which sometimes appears from nowhere and disappears to nowhere, while causing great destruction and loss of life. The first in the review of the strongest tornado in the state of Colorado. Debris, dust and construction debris swirled in the air and rose all the way to the sky. The tornado, located south of Iowa City, brought with it severe hail, powerful winds, and heavy rainfall. Fortunately, no one in Iowa City was injured by this tornado, but unfortunately, luck was less favorable in other regions. Nebraska is part of an area called Tornado Alley. This alley represents a region in the United States where tornadoes occur much more frequently than anywhere else, with no specific boundaries or other defined characteristics. The Netherlands records more tornadoes than any other country relative to its territory. This is a region where at least 15 or so tornadoes occur every year. Another tornado. Kansas is probably the best place closely associated with tornadoes in the entire world. Kansas has shelters and other structures designed to keep people safe. A tornado sweeps across the landscape. As it grows in intensity, it even destroys the roofs of houses. Later, the tornado just seemed to dissolve into thin air as if it never existed. The city of Batna in Algeria is famous for extreme weather conditions, not to mention tornadoes. Another powerful EF4 tornado has hit Kansas. The camera is mounted on a pole. The video starts out pretty calm. The sky is a little dark but not too bad. There is even some sunlight. After about a minute and a half everything changes. The sky gets darker and darker. Dear friend, I hope you are in a shelter. Danger beckons us at every turn. Be careful, follow safety rules where you are, be prepared for different scenarios, don't panic and risk your life. Thank you for watching, give a like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.